To maximize the potential for your welding project and add ideas to sell like a hotcake, it's essential to promote your work effectively. Utilize social media platforms, craft fairs, and the online marketplace to showcase your creation and reach your potential buyers. In this video, we are going to show you some amazing welding project for a beginner that will inspire you and that will tell you how to reduce your carbon footprints, building a strong online presence and engaging with a potential customer through captivating photographs, informative description, and the regular update will establish your brand and attract your buyers. By embarking on welding project and art ideas from scratch, you can tap into a market that appreciate craftsmanship and the uniqueness. Metal wall art, custom furniture, garden sculptures, jewelry, personalized signage, or the home decor item are just a few examples of projects that have the potential to sell exceptionally well. Remember to stay true to your creative vision, adapt to the market trends, and effectively promote your work with a dedication, skills, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirits. Your welding creation can become a hot cake in the market, and you will be able to earn a handsome amount of money. Passion for outdoor spaces, welding, garden sculpture, decorative element can be a successful niche. Sculpture of animals, flowers, and the abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of a garden, patio, and even a public spaces. Experimenting with the different metals such as copper, stainless steel, you can add a unique touch to your creation. Additionally, consider crafting functional items like planters, trestles, or a fire pit to cater to the wide range of potential buyers. Beyond the aforementioned project, custom signage of the personalized home decor item are in high demand. Welding metal sign with the codes, house numbers, family names can add a personal touch to any space. Additionally, creating a custom fireplace, candle holder, or a wine rack can cater to the specific interior design preferences, make them a highly desirable. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video, and keep watching for interesting videos. Thank you so much.